Are there any side effects to EFT? Apart from feeling better and reducing cortisol and adrenaline in minutes, often, or in a session, there aren't any side effects. And there have been studies over thousands, and there aren't any adverse reactions to EFT. Sometimes when we tap, and many people do, they yawn a lot. There are 50,000 different studies that have been done on yawning, and it basically comes down to it resets the brain. And so when we yawn, we are actually, it's a sign of shifting things, of releasing things. And it's then just important that after a tapping session that we rest a little bit and we give our system to recalibrate, so to speak, some rest. And that's why we yawn, because